Okay, hi guys, good morning. This is how I'm starting the vlog because I don't have any time and I'm just putting on some makeup. First of all, you do not need to put on makeup wherever you are going, but I need to film a video right now before I leave, so I have to do a little bit of makeup, some concealer, and I just filled in my brows, and now I'm just going to use a blush tint and I'm good to go. So this is what my outfit looks like. It's a very beautiful top from Agio. This is white in color, and underneath I'm wearing jeans, which I obviously cannot show right now. Okay, by the way, as you can already say by the title, today's video is going to be a vlog where I'm gonna show you a day in my life. Today I have few work. I am going out after, I think, again after so many days, and today I'm getting vaccinated. Pretty much very excited. Finally, at least. Mosam and his father and my father and my brother, they are already vaccinated, but me, my mom and Mosam's mom, we still left, so we are going to get there, and the timing is around 3:30. So right now it's 12 and I have to leave before 2. So yeah, I have few hours left with me and I'm going to do my makeup. So I just came here with my makeup because I just want to sit here, talk to you guys a little bit, and do my makeup. So the palette that I'm going to use, I'm going to do eye makeup look obviously, but I'm just going to use a very soft color. This one is from Colourpop. This one is the, why this is not opening? This one is from their Barbie collection, and I am just going to use this shade right over here. This is a beautiful pink shade which is known as Vintage Doll. So I'm going to use my fingers and I'm just going to use it very roughly all over my eyes. It just gives a beautiful shift of pink which looks so pretty. I'm going to film a video with few lipsticks. I'm going to film one reel because I have to before I leave. I'm going to set my makeup with this e.l.f. translucent powder. This is one of my favorite powder. It's so lightweight and such a beautiful product. I'm going to do my eyeliner, my all-time favorite hero liner. I forgot to bring my mascara. Okay, so I'm going to curl my lash. I'm just going to quickly do my, I don't know if I should wear this blush or maybe I should just pair it up with my lipstick. I guess I should pair it up with my lipstick. Use this lipstick only. It's not that much visible, but I guess we are fine. I will just also show you guys what I filmed, and that's it. I just finished my video and this is what my makeup looks. It's like very soft, natural kind of a look, and the lipstick that I'm wearing is from Color Bar in the shade 17. It's a very beautiful color and it's kind of like a nudish, coralish, pinkish kind of a color. It is so pretty, and this eyeshadow is insane. So yeah, that's it. Now I have to just eat my lunch and then we are going to head out. Big cat, big cat. I'm in love.
just because.
Joy and pleasure to millions of music lovers.
I'm in love with. Chances are you. 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 You said it's
Hey guys, so finally I'm back home, and it was such a fun day, and it was such an important day as well, because finally we all got vaccinated. Obviously it's our first dose, but after that we will have our second dose. A few days we will have our second dose. I think it's about 84 days or something like that. So yeah, by the way, I have few packages with me which I just now received. Obviously they are all sanitized, but I am going to just do a little unboxing with you all. First, starting off with this small one. Oh, I again forgot to bring my scissors, but okay, who needs scissors? I think I should bring my scissors. Oh, this is my Fenty Beauty. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, this is my Fenty Beauty skin tint that I ordered, and I'm so excited for this one. I was trying to purchase this one for such a long time now, and finally I have it with me. My Fenty Beauty skin tint and blurring skin tint. It's in the shade 10, and I think it's a pretty perfect match for me. And also I purchased this one, this mini Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliator. I really need this one because of my blackheads and my texture for my skin, and really want to try out this one. So I purchased the smaller version of this, and yeah, it's quite expensive. Anyways, moving on to our second parcel. This is what I have ordered from, you guys know, International Makeup. Like, they are very famous, and they also have their own eyelash and own blush. They also have some beautiful other products. So I purchased from them their eyelash and one blush, which is beautiful. I can also use it as my lip color. Oh my god, look at this packaging. It is so pretty. It is so beautiful. Look at this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Should I just try this one? It just looks so royal. Like, it looks expensive. This is the shade. They have few other shades. Oh, this is so good. I'm planning to film one. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh my god, this is in the shade Mallow. Yeah, this is so pretty. I'm in love. I am completely in love. And also I have purchased their eyelash, which is very famous, by the way. So for their blush, definitely recommend it. It's so good, and it feels like after it gets dry, it does not feel like any oily or sticky feeling. I cannot feel something like that. It's feeling very like lightweight and powdery. And this is the eyelash that I purchased from them. This is in the shade, this is their synthetic mink eyelash, and this is in the shade Noor shade. This is in the style Noor. So this is what it looks like. It's beautiful. And the last parcel is this one, and it's bookstore. This is from a local business. I got one dupatta and one t-shirt for like a nighttime nightwear t-shirt, you can say. And I shop a lot from Facebook, like Facebook groups and Facebook live. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is literally so cute and so soft. And I have this dupatta. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing. Now I'm going to go and make my coffee.
I'm in love with. Chances are you. I'm in love with. Chances are you.
Guys, so here I have my coffee. I'm gonna enjoy my coffee right now and sit and chat with my family. So yeah, I think that's it for the day. I'm gonna end this vlog over here because nothing really is gonna happen. I'm just gonna take some rest, and that's it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys on my next video. I hope you all loved this mini vlog, and yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.